I'm basically standing in a completely empty apartment and I need to do the last clean. I'm actually really looking forward to it. So I think I'm gonna start in the bedroom and then the office, and then I might come out here and work my way towards the bathroom and the hallway. But I am so close to being done, and yeah, I guess this is just the final whole apartment end of lease clean. I've decided I'm just gonna sweep everything before I vacuum it as well, just to get most of the fluff and dust out. I'm doing is the baseboards. I'm just using a microfiber cloth and then some warm soapy water, and I'm just going to wipe the dust off around the edge of the room, the closet, and then also the windowsills as well. Okay, I don't know if I seem exhausted, but I am not thinking straight. I feel very like, whoa, I just feel a little bit like freaked out and a bit under the time pressure to get this done. Even though I have plenty of time, I'm just freaking out a little bit, but I am making progress. The bedroom and the office are both done. The baseboards are all done, the windowsills, and they've been swept and vacuumed, or at least Yeedy is vacuuming at the moment. In a little bit, once I've done basically everything else, I will switch him over to the mopping function, and then he can mop in those rooms as well. Right now though, I'm gonna do the kitchen, wipe out all of the cupboards, the fridge, basically get this looking really nice and clean, and then I might do And then I might do all of the baseboards of the living room, the bathroom, and then the hallway and the front closet, and then I'll be done. So it shouldn't take me more than a couple of hours because there's nothing really in here to clean other than just all the surfaces. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I have to do the microwave as well. Do not let me forget the microwave. Okay, I'm making some progress. The fridge and the freezer are done. These shelves are done. That first cupboard is done. I'm gonna leave the sink and the countertops until last. Under the sink is done, dishwasher's done. These drawers over here are done. I guess I'm just working from right to left. I'm gonna do the drawer there, the microwave, the oven, that last cupboard, and then move up to the top. Basically all of that is cleaning products, so I just need to move that elsewhere. But yeah, then I'm pretty sure the kitchen will be done after that. been trying to get everything done as fast as I can, and I'm actually doing pretty good for time. My nails have started to chip already, so later tonight when I can sit down and relax, I'll redo my nails. I'm just hoping I don't break any of them because all of the dip powder stuff is like breaking off them. I just don't want my actual nails to break. I'm so close. I'm just gonna take all of everything that's on the counter and just put it on the floor. I just have to wipe down inside this cupboard, and then what else am I doing? The bench tops, the sink, and I just wanted to use some glass cleaner on the front of the oven, and then I'm done. So I'm so close. I'm so close. The kitchen is all done. I even got up and did the lights up there, so they're all dusted. It's completely done. I feel just a little bit free. So now I'm gonna go and do the bathroom. The bathroom is all done. I just did the skirting boards and the floor, and now I have to do the hallway and the coat closet. I'm gonna sweep it all out first and then do the skirting boards in here. This is saving me so much time. Even though I already used him once to vacuum, ignore that patch of water, that's from the bowl that I have in the water from the baseboards. But even though I had him vacuumed before, he also vacuums as well as mops at the same time. So he's doing a second round of vacuuming while also mopping. It's great, it's saving me so much time. So when you walk in, there's the coat closet, which is where I had all of my coats, and I just stored a bunch of stuff in there. There's a can of paint in there that the landlord let me use, not that I actually ever used it. Next to that is the laundry, which I think you've all seen many, many times. And then next to that is the bathroom. And then down the end of the hallway is the living room and the kitchen. I can't believe it is all empty. There is a patch on the wall there because way back in January, if you remember, they had issues with the wall thing, and they finally came and put another hole in the wall the other week. So that still has to be fixed. And then through here is the office, which had an incredible view of the city. It was such a nice apartment. Back into the kitchen, and then down here into the bedroom. You can't quite see the CN tower. You can actually kind of see the very top of it, but that's about it. And then this is the closet, and that's it. This has been my home for the last year and a half, and I can't believe that it's all over.